Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get into the programming menu and how to calibrate the water flow of the machine. So let's say you went and checked the flow rate and it's off a little bit. Maybe you're getting 4 ounces of water or something, and you want to go ahead and calibrate your flow rate. What we're going to do is we're going to have to get into the programming menu. We're also going to need a measuring cup, and as well, we don't want your portafilter in. So remove your portafilter, get a measuring cup. We're going to go ahead and get into programming menu by holding down your continuous flow button for about 5 seconds. You just keep holding it and you'll see it'll pop up. You're in the menu now. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to treat these as like your left arrow, right arrow, and enter button. So we're going to scroll over just once using this kind of right arrow button, double shot / right arrow button. We're going to get to group dose settings, and then we're going to push enter. And then it's going to say volume dose. We're going to push enter again. All right, so now we are in the menu to calibrate your shot here. And let's say you want to calibrate this one. Say you want to calibrate all of them, but we want to start with this one here. You will just get your measuring cup, put it under the group, and then we will go ahead and just start pulling and monitor it. We're just going to go ahead and check. Once it gets to about 3 ounces, we will stop it. And you'll see here it illuminates now. That means that one has been calibrated. And if you were to pull it again, it just would save over that. But if you were to, you can continue to do whichever other ones you want to do as well. But what you can also do in this menu, you can, to save it, so you just want to do this one, you would then push enter. Now that's saved. Now, if you want to say, okay, well, I like that and I want to have every single one be based off of that one, you can copy a dose. So then you're back into your program volume dose menu. You'll scroll over using the double shot here, right arrow, right? So scroll over to the right. You're gonna get to copy dose, push enter. And now it's just telling you push button to copy. So let's say we want, like we said, we just calibrated this one. We want all of them to be the same as the one we just calibrated. So we push that one. And now, so that one's the one that you chose to copy. And this is push to paste. So then we're gonna push all the other ones that we wanna paste it to. So now we just push them all. And then once they're all firmly illuminated, not blinking, we will push enter to exit and save. And then we also wanna make sure to fully save everything, that we scroll back, just keep scrolling to the exit, push exit. And then we can scroll back to the menu to exit. And now we're back to the programming menu, and all these should be calibrated the same. And if they're not, you can individually program. Sometimes the flow meter isn't perfect, and you have to go and individually set each one. So that would be how you would calibrate your shots, or at least the flow rate. Again, we want 3 ounces of that in 7 to 9 seconds. So that is how you get into programming.